Okay, hello everybody, and today we'll be doing something a little different. I'm going to be showing you how to make a little hot cocoa mug out of play-doh. So you're going to need play-doh, some customers like Little's Pet Shops, ponies, or even your brother's army men. And you're also going to need beads. So first you're going to pick a bead that you have a play-doh color of. So I'm going to do a blue one. So I'm going to grab my blue play-doh under here. And you're also going to need white. So you're going to take your play-doh. Some came shooting out at me. And you're going to roll it into a ball. It doesn't have to be a perfect ball, but whatever. And then you're going to use the top to squish it. And just kind of like size it a little. I don't care what you squish it with, just squish it. And then you're going to put the bead in the middle. Get back here, bead. Yes, I know you love my lap. And then you're going to wrap the extra Play-Doh around the bead. And you're also going to need a brown marker and a Play-Doh knife. But you only need the brown marker if you don't have brown Play-Doh, because that's how we're going to make the hot cocoa for it. Then you're just going to kind of cut off some of the extra Play-Doh. And the background of my video is a mess. So, yeah, it's a mess. A big mess. Oh my god. Then you're just going to kind of roll. Oh my god. And if it falls out like that, then just, And then you can use some extra Play-Doh and just put that on the bottom, if there's a little hole there. Then you're going to take out a little bit more Play-Doh, just a tiny bit, and roll it out. And this is going to be the handle. So you're going to make a little handle shape like that. And then you're going to use your Play-Doh knife. And you're going to kind of like make a little snowflake shape. Like this. Kind of. There we go. I don't care what you like make on it. You can add like different decorations on it if you want to, but you don't have to do any decorations if you don't want to. And then, and like I said, you only need the white Play-Doh and the brown marker if you don't have brown Play-Doh. So, just like we did for the handle, you're going to take a little bit of the white Play-Doh, because there's only a tiny little hole in your bead, so you want to be able to get some Play-Doh in there. And you're just going to kind of and then you're going to dab the brown marker into the Play-Doh. And the more chocolatier you want it to look, then the more you put the brown on your Play-Doh. If your brown isn't as dark as you want it to be, then you could just scribble the brown marker in it if you want to make it darker. And have you ever drank hot cocoa and it kind of has like little swirls in it from the chocolate? Your Play-Doh will end up looking like that if you did what I did with the white Play-Doh and the brown marker. And then you're going to roll that out. And then you're just going to kind of put it into the hole. And then you're going to need your white Play-Doh again. And you don't have to do any marshmallows or whipped cream on it if you don't want to. So for the whipped cream, you're just going to make like, you're just going to kind of spiral it up like a little frosting dab or like anything. Your marshmallows could have melted and you can add some like extra white to the brown Play-Doh if you want to. Or if your brown Play-Doh is too dark, then you can always add some stuff to it. Okay, my handle is like going out of control. Stay on handle. Okay, I'll redo my handle. Oh my god, this handle doesn't want to listen. Okay, handle, we have rules for videos. Number 1, no messing around. And number 2, you have to listen to me. So everybody, keeps watching our videos. My goodness. So, there's our little cup. And then you're going to get a little bit more white Play-Doh and roll it into a little ball, and that's going to be our marshmallow. And there's another way you can do the marshmallows. If you want them to look more like square look, you can roll the Play-Doh out and okay. And then you're going to cut it, like do that, but I don't really want to do that. You can make the gumballs, or you can even add gumballs to the hot cocoa if you want to. So, there we go. We got our marshmallows on there and our whipped cream. So, now we have it done. And, it looks like my new pony Honey Rays wants some. Okay, these wings are so big. That's good. And just let it dry overnight. So that's pretty much it for the tutorial. And I also showed you another way to make Play-Doh colors that you don't have. Take a marker, that color of a marker, of the Play-Doh you don't have, white Play-Doh, and then you scribble all over the Play-Doh with the marker. And yeah, I have like 1,000 beads. These are all the beads I have. Oh, yeah, get the end bead. Okay. It looks like the army man thinks it's so good that he's falling right into it. Or. Mommy, that's good. And the princess has sweets. I must try it. I must. Oh, darn it, my head fell off. Buddy, where are you going? I love you. I thought we were a team. No, I don't want to see your butt. Okay, I'm ahead. Body, go get that crown over there. And then put it on my head. Okay, go get it. Go get it. Go get the crown.
1 second, baby. The baby falls on the ground.
Okay.
Yeah. No, I kind of pictured like.
And all these LPS right here, they're new. These two came from blind bags, and this creepy one, that's head comes off. Beep. Boop. They came in a set together, these two. So, oh my god, this handle is like driving me crazy. Oh well. And whatever. Oh yeah, you ponies ordered it. Okay, why did the hot cocoa fall out?
You gotta wrap it up.
Okay, bye guys. Hope this helps you out. Like if you're doing a winter video, then this will totally help you out for like snacks and oh my god. Well, whatever. We don't need a handle. Okay, bye guys.